Welcome to this hypnosis meditation for observing thoughts and creating calm. This session is designed to be listened to as part of the 28-day Mind-Gut Reset program inside of the Calm Gut app. If you'd like to access the full program with daily lessons, practical exercises, and hypnosis sessions, you can start your free 7-day trial using the link below. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a moment to settle in, allowing your body to rest in a way that feels supported. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just allow yourself to be here, present in this moment. Begin by taking a slow, deep, comfortable breath in. And then gently exhale. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a sense of ease. And with each exhale, releasing any tension you no longer need. Take a few more slow, intentional breaths. And then let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. There's no need to force it. Just let it flow in and out, like waves on the shore, steady and calming. As you breathe, bring your attention to the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Notice how each breath flows effortlessly, nourishing your body, soothing your mind. With each breath, allow yourself to become more relaxed. And then, starting at the top of your head, imagine a soft wave of relaxation beginning to flow downward. Feel your forehead ease. The little muscles around your eyes soften. Your jaw loosen. Your shoulders dropping slightly, releasing any tension they were holding. Allow the warmth of relaxation to flow down your arms, into your hands and fingers. Allow your chest and your stomach to soften. Your abdomen and all of those deep, deep muscles relaxing completely. Feel this sense of ease now traveling down through your legs, all the way down to the very tips of your toes and the soles of your feet. As you continue breathing, this gentle relaxation surrounds you like a soft cocoon of comfort. You are safe. You are supported. And in this moment, there is nothing to do except allow yourself to fully rest. And as you rest, I'd like you to imagine yourself lying in a beautiful open meadow. The grass beneath you is soft and warm. The earth beneath it steady and supportive. A gentle breeze moves across your skin, bringing with it a sense of ease and lightness. Above you stretches a vast sky, wide, open, endless. A sky that has been here long before this moment and will remain long after. Take a slow, deep breath in now. And as you exhale, allow yourself to sink a little deeper into this space. With each breath, your body softens, your mind grows quieter, and you become even more present in this moment. As your mind continues to settle, you can become aware of how the more your mind becomes calmer, the more calmer your body becomes. And the calmer your body becomes, the calmer your mind. A beautiful cycle of comfort and ease, gently pulsing through your entire system. As you rest here, as you imagine yourself in this beautiful open meadow looking upwards, you can begin to notice clouds drifting slowly across the sky. Some of those clouds are light and wispy, barely there. Others are fuller, more defined, shifting and changing shape as they float. These clouds represent your thoughts, and each time a thought arises, you can simply imagine placing it on a cloud and then watch as it floats gently by. There is no need to hold onto it. There is no need to chase the clouds or to push them away. They come and go, shifting and changing, moving with the breeze. Notice how some thoughts may linger for a moment, and how others pass by, quickly disappearing as effortlessly as they arrived. But you remain here, steady and calm, simply watching. If you notice a thought pulling your attention strongly, perhaps drawing you into a story or a memory, simply acknowledge it with curiosity. You might even whisper in your mind, "There's a thought," and then with gentle ease, place it onto a passing cloud, watching as it drifts further and further into the sky and out of sight. No judgment, no need to change it, just gentle observation. You are not the thought. You are the one watching the thought. Just like these clouds, your thoughts will always come and go. Some may be familiar, like old patterns of worry or planning. Some may seem random, appearing for just a moment before fading away. And yet, through it all, the sky remains unchanged. This vast openness is always there, beneath, above, and between the clouds. Just as thoughts come and go, beneath them there is always stillness, a space of peace within you. And as you relax more deeply into this sense of stillness, something beautiful begins to happen. Your entire body responds, shifting into a state of balance. Because just as your mind is learning to soften, your digestive system is doing the same. With every breath, your body receives the message, I am safe. I am at ease. I can let go. As you continue watching these passing clouds, begin to shift your awareness to the space between them, the moments of openness, the vast sky between. With every breath in, imagine drawing in this deep sense of calm. And with every breath out, imagine releasing any mental or physical tension that you still notice. There is nothing to hold onto, nothing to resist. Just breathing and being and observing. And as you rest in this awareness, you may notice a growing sense of ease, a quiet confidence that you can observe thoughts without being pulled into them. Thoughts may rise, but you remain steady. Emotions may come and go, but you remain here, untouched, like the vast sky above. And as your mind relaxes, your body follows, the deep, soothing wave of comfort and ease moving all the way through you, gently flowing down all the way through your digestive system. From the very top, all the way down to the very bottom. Every part, like a soft, settling breath moving through your entire gut, calming, restoring, and soothing. The same way clouds move effortlessly across the sky, your digestive system is learning to move with greater ease. Your entire gastrointestinal tract responding to this calm. Every part of you finding its natural rhythm, settling into a controlled, peaceful flow. Because the calmer your mind, the calmer your gut. And the calmer your gut, the calmer your entire body. A perfect cycle of balance and ease. As you connect with this cycle, you can take a moment to notice what else is present in this space. The soft warmth of the earth beneath you, the gentle rhythm of your heart, the subtle movement of air on your skin. There is more to any moment than thoughts alone. And as you watch the sky up above, you can expand your focus outward, not just noticing the clouds, but the way the sky stretches in all directions. Just as you can broaden your attention here, you can do the same in daily life. If your mind hooks onto a thought, remember, you can expand out. You can let awareness move beyond it, to the present moment, to your breath, to your heartbeat, to the simple feeling of being here. There is always more space, more ease, more stillness within you than you might realize. Now simply rest here, allowing yourself to drift into the openness of the sky. There is nowhere to be, nothing to do, just breathing, noticing, and letting go. And if a thought arises, you know exactly what to do. You simply watch it, acknowledge it, and let it pass in its own time, like a cloud drifting on the breeze. With each passing moment, this sense of lightness, clarity, and ease deepens inside of you. As this practice comes to a close, take a moment to absorb this feeling, this deep, steady awareness. A reminder that you are always the observer, never the thought itself. And as you return to wakefulness, this sense of ease will stay with you. A quiet knowing that no matter what thoughts arise, you remain steady, grounded, and at peace. And so in a moment, I will count you up from 1 to 5. And when I reach the number 5, your eyes will open and you will return feeling refreshed, clear, and present. 1. Bringing awareness back to your body, feeling the surface beneath you steady and supportive. 2. Noticing the rhythm of your breath, gentle, effortless, flowing naturally. 3. Bringing movement back into your fingers and toes, perhaps moving them slightly. 4. Awareness spreading through your body now, feeling lighter, clearer, fully present. And 5. Eyes open, fully alert and fully awake.